Alright, so here is a quick tip how to see the tar archive file without extracting them. This could be done in various forms. If you are exclusively sitting on Linux platform, you could do so in various ways. I'll show you few of them. A popular one, if you don't know about it, you will come to know about it. So basically, to show you the tar archive without extracting them. Okay, to start with, let me go to my terminal and I'm just use the tar binary and hyphen. You have to give T, okay, V for verbose, F for the file, and so this is a tar archive which is having lots of file. But I don't want to extract it on the disk, but I want to see the content. Okay, so this is the command you need to pass on the command line tar hyphen tvf. Okay, to and then the archive name to see it on the terminal or shell prompt. If I press enter, it'll come out like this. Okay, it didn't extract it, it just enlists the content of the tar file. Simple. Okay, all right. So in Vim, I made a video about it. You can go back to the channel for this particular how to see tar file inside Vim. So again, I start with Vim with the path to the tar file. Okay, if I do, it is come like this. Okay, so it automatically get enlisted the content of the tar file archive. Likewise, how do you see it on Emacs? You just have to select the directory. I select a particular directory, then I move to a file. See, my cursor is on a particular file, as you can see, and if I press enter, it will show me the Emacs has a built-in ability to show you the content of the tar archive and other archive by compressing and decompressing when you entering and leaving it. Okay, so it's showing me the content of the tar archive just by pointing the put your cursor. I put my cursor on a particular file. I believe you are seeing where my cursor is, right? You see, I bring down the cursor to a particular tar.cz file and press enter. It will show me the content of the tar file inside Emacs. Okay, and if you leave it, it comes back to its original. So these are the simplest possible way to see the tar archive file without extracting it to the disk. Okay, I've shown you three things: how to see it from the command line with the tar binary and tvf. Three flags has to be passed to the tar file to see the content of it without extracting it on the disk. Then you can directly open the tar.cz file inside Vim. Okay, and normal every other file open with Vim the similar way. In Emacs, you have to open the directory where your tar.cz file resides, put your cursor on the particular file and press enter. it will extract, it will enlist you the file which is having inside those star.gz file. Okay, once you leave it, it comes back to its source. Emacs has got a built-in facility for that. So I hope it will be useful for some people who are curious to know how they could see the content of compressed archive file content without extracting it on the disk. Okay, thanks.